Hindi na yan pwede magsugod ang show ya kung wala ya ang speech ng aton nga event organizer for tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, the owner of Gym House, guys, Melo Espayos, to give us a speech.
Ningap ni gusto ko naman pasalamat sa panahon na dito di ka support sa atong event subong nga gabi. Kag gusto ko pasalamatan ang atong judges, nagayon ako ni sila. Bali ano lang niya, nang sadya lang isa nga aton nga gym direct. Bali kung anong imang result sa aton nga event, respect lang ilang desisyon. Eh ano lang isa, kumbaga para sa mga beginner niya na maka at least experience ang bodybuilding na ito. Hindi ko naman sa isa tanang na gusto ko pasalamatan. Bali thank you kita. Thank you sa tanan niya nagkataon.
Thank you very much, Sir Melo Espayos. And also we would like to acknowledge the presence of the judges para may gabi sa inyo. And also the total attendance for tonight. Salamat gid sa pagkadto dire. Miskin tamaan ka init, pero timing gini ang init sa karong makita. Di ba la kabederasyon? Di ba la natinay pa kamo kabalogit ko? Anyway, guys, of course, just to make sure that we will have a successful event for tonight, we would like to call on Pastor Pastor Roldan Guillermo to actually give us a prayer.
Okay, may gabi, pwede ta katindog urutan na para i-honor ta ang presence ni Lord. Okay lang? Pwede lang. Let us bow our heads and let us pray. Thank you so much, Lord, sa ini nga kay gayunan nga ginatag mo sa amon kag sa sininga tinion gina-welcome namon yung presensya. Kag salamat sa mga blessings nga amon gina-enjoy bisan pa sa maayong alawas kada adlaw. Thank you so much nga gina-enjoy namon ng mga blessings bisan pa Lord may mga blessing nga wala man namon gani ginapangayo pero gina-enjoy namon kada adlaw. Gani sa sining gabi pakamayo ang tanan ari sa sining lugar kag ma-enjoy namon ang ining event o Lord. That at the end of this meeting, the end of this event, your name will be glorified. Bless us Lord tonight. In Jesus' name, Amen.
Thank you very much, Pastor. All right. So good ta. So good ta. Oh, sit back and relax ah. Gusto niyo mag-amin na sa tulis balik ko to? Kung gusto niyo mag-trip. Kita mo di ka pa kapuwi ko tiyo. Ako man niya pa kayo. Anyway, guys, this is Bugay. Sa July bodybuilding competition, we will see 15 contestants that will actually considered as aspiring bodybuilders in the future. Of course, ipakita nila sa ato ng ginditikaran nila for such a long time. It's not about just sweat, it's actually blood and tears as well. Kabudlay mo pa dako lawas, kabudlay mo pa namin lawas. So on to what? But before we move on to that one, right, guys? Before we start, let me introduce you guys our 3 judges for this event. All right. All right. Our first judge, one of the most respected. All right. So. From 1984 to 1989, he was an instructor at Slimmers World International Gym. From 1989 to 1991, a supervisor at Sheraton's Hotels Gym at Oman, so Saudi. 1991 to 1992, gym instructor at Sheraton Hotel Riyadh. 92 to 93, cruise ship gym instructor at Singapore. 93 to 94, cruise ship gym instructor at Hong Kong. 1986, Manila Summer King. Open category first runner-up. 1986 won the title for Ginoong Metro Manila, member of PTI Professional Trainers International. Ladies and gentlemen, our first judge, Mr. Art Hernandez. Please give him a round of applause, please. Thank you. Our second judge, He was a 2004 to 2008 instructor at SHA's Muscle Fitness Gym. 2002 Western Visayas Novice Category 3rd runner-up. Also 2003 Mr. Mascara Novice Category 3rd runner-up. And 2008 Mr. Bacolod Novice Category 2nd runner-up. Our second judge, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Val Franco. Yeah! Look at you. And last but definitely not the least, Sir, hindi sila ko ng pati. Sir, hindi ka patulog. Sir. Well, won't you give us a sample sa mga audience na pre? Sir Val? Sige, no. Kita ko na na pala. Kita ko na na. Come on, Sir Val. Come on. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Val Franco. Yeah. Give him a round of applause, please. Oh. Katahum.
One of our judges.
Thank you very much, so Val Franco. Alright. Tek, hindi ka pa rin maya magpati, ha? Nga, ano sila yung judge, ya?
We're good.
Pera na nakita mo na sa duwa mo ka mata. Anyway, guys, last but definitely not least, the third judge, he was a 2004 Novice Category champion. Also in 2004, Mr. Mascara, 2nd runner-up. 2005, Mr. Physique, 2nd runner-up. And from 2006 to 2007, Mr. Mascara, champion, open category. Ladies and gentlemen, the third judge, Mr. Erwin Drilon. Sample naman dyan, Sir Erwin! Sample naman dyan, Sir Erwin! Just to let you know, guys, that we're not actually getting judges from anywhere. Pati, dato, this no, this pa na wala nakakakuat liwat. Te, pati doon kami kire. Damo di pati sal sa bungo. Joke lang. Anyway, guys. Again, those are our judges. Please give them a round of applause, please. Alright, guys. For a bodybuilding competition, okay, here are the criteria for judging. Alright? So, ang pinakadako sa tanan, it's what you call symmetry. Again, symmetry, guys. I know it's a mathematical term. When you say symmetry, dapat balanse ang kadakoon sa mga parts ng body mo. Hindi pwede pop-eye na dako ang forearms mo, ang biceps, triceps mo, bot na lang. Alright? Also, another thing, hindi man naguro pwede ang wala lang ang dako, ang too alang walang gid. Hindi man naguro pwede. So symmetry is the balance of the structure of the body, alright? Next one, that's actually 40%. Symmetry is 40%, alright? Pinakadako. Next is muscularity and definition, alright? So, sa mga wala nakabalo, magamba ka muscularity and definition, amon siya lang may separation sa different muscle groups. Like for example, makita mo ang kurbada sa triceps and so on and so forth. Makita mo ang separation sa other muscle fibers from different parts of muscle groups. Alright? So that's 30%. Also, the posing. The posing, guys, ang posing, kabalo na ka muna. mahilig ka mo mag-picture sa selfie kung kabalo mo posing. Posing is 15%. And audience impact, 15%. So, sa mga nakauyon, nanyo sa mga contestants na, mahinog ya ka mo, dako, ginanga impacto sa score nila. Alright? So, a total of 100%. Alright? Again, symmetry, 40%. Muscularity and definition, 30%. Posing, 15%. And audience impact, 15% for a total of 100%. Alright. Anyway, guys, before we start, let me actually tell you the prizes, okay? So, all of our contestants will actually receive certificates for all contestants who actually participated in the bodybuilding competition. Also, sa aton nga magadaog, we had 3 winners, second runner-up, first runner-up, and the champion for our bodybuilding competition. So for the second runner-up, he will win 1,000 pesos plus 2 weeks free here at the gym house. And for the first runner-up, he will get 2,000 pesos plus 2 weeks na gym sa gym house. And the winner will get 4,000 bucks, 4,000 pesos sa magadaog. So guys, manamit-namit ang 4 mil sa buong gabi. Mainit-init. Kaya kaginot sa gym po sa buong. Anyway guys, that's just about it. And all of the contestants will actually be receiving certificates for joining us. Alright. Now here we go. For the first part, this is free. The free posing part. So, one by one, ang mga contestants, masulod isa-isa, and they will actually do whatever they want. Do posing whatever they want to pose, and so on and so forth. So, dili pa lang yung kasugod ng audience impact, ha? Alright? So, support those who you want to support, okay?
Migo.
Alright, so contestants, are you ready at the back? Contestants, ready na ka mo da? Okay. Alright. So, here we go for the free posing. Contestant number 1. Contestant number 1, that's John Isaac, guys. Give him a round of applause. Nilanat ako ah. May paracetamol na eh. Now next, contestant number 2. Your That's contestant number 2, Nel Latosa. Contestant number 3. number 3, John Paul is Mania. Now, let's go to contestant number 4.
Rock your body,
That's contestant number 4, Jason Divinagracia. Contestant number 5.
Oh, nag-entra si Pedro, no?
Rock your body,
Alright, that's contestant number 5, Juan Carlos Zaman. Now, contestant number 6.
rock your
That's contestant number 6, that's Fred Lura. Now, contestant number 7.
your body.
Wala si Pedro, no?
That's contestant number 7, Mark Miratoria. Now, contestant number 8.
Rock your
Abraham Carrillo Jr. Now, contestant number 9.
Rock your body, body, body.
Let's go to contestant number 10.
Rock your body, body,
That's Nelson De Luna, contestant number 10. Now, contestant number 11.
rock your body, body, body.
Alright, that's contestant number 11, Earl Arnold Jowd. Now, contestant number 12.
Your body, body,
Alright, that's Victor Maro, contestant number 12. Now, contestant number 13.
rock your body, body, body.
Number 13, Roel Estacio. Now, contestant number 14.
Rock your body, body, body.
That's contestant number 14, Toto Drilon. And the last contestant, number 15. Contestant number 15, Noel Loreto. Alright guys, that's all of our contestants. So what we'll do now here is all the contestants please go back to the post. All of the contestants please go back to the post and go as in line to your numbers from 1 to 15. All contestants, sulod pre. All contestants. Linya ka ba di sa sulod? Just near the mirror. Sulod sa mirror. Start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. All 15 contestants, please go back.
Dua ka raw, pero? Dua ka raw eh. Dua ka raw. Dua ka raw, hindi lang.
Medyo backward gamay, Goro, sir. Backward mo gamay. Ay, ang hila ng ano, ang dips, ha. Lakang hila. Backward gamay.
Kadto sa to, bangang lawa, kung ito. 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, 13. 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, 13.
2, 5, 8, 11, 12, 13.
11, 12, 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, 13.
Front double bicep. Front double bicep flex.
So there's 2, 5, 8, 11, 12, and 13.
Chuarda, ito sa mga dali kami. 8, 3, 5, 8. Front lock spread, lock spread. Front lock spread. Relax.
Chicken wing.
Okay na ba?
May paa man. May Adidas pa. Para. Dako-dako ba din?
Back to biceps.
Puro.
Relax.
I hope you feel better, Mare. Gaga. Hindi siya bigito.
Guys, talikod, taliwat. Talikod, luwat. Wala po na kambal na face front ha. Okay, ready? Okay, backward spread now. Flex. Okay, relax. Face front.
Pasensya, di may makuha na.
Side tricep pose. Ready? Side tricep. 6. Step forward, number 6.
Or 6. Go,
Number 6, step forward.
Ari na si Fred Loro. Charot. Nice, Fred.
Number 5, number 13, switch Leog. Switch Leog, number 13, number 5, switch. Number 13, switch. Marmar, number 12, hindi ba galing sa pisto mo? Okay.
Sige, ano po?
Okay, relax.
Go.
Ready? Front lat spread.
Go, Fred Loro.
Okay, kita ang ganito.
Relax. Okay, thank you guys. Next naton. Okay.
Supported di kay Fred Loro.
Well,
All right, while they're actually making up this decision. So again, guys, if you're hungry or if you need some drinks, you can actually go to visit at the back for some refreshment. And while they're actually calculating things up, maparapol kami sa buong. Sino nakaparehistro sa ngalan nila Gina? Sino nakaparehistro? Hands up, sino nakaparehistro? Ang sasagoli kaparehistro ay malas mo yun. Anyway guys, we will pick one raffle entry to get the Sando Gym House merch.
bomba labak.
Tay tay. Amo lang niyo.
Hala.
Kasi sila nang sulti yun eh.
More chances of winning.
Malunggo ka rin, malunggo. Lunggo. Lapit na lang. 3 minutes. Anyway guys, you will get the Gym House Black Sando. So, nailing workout day.
May ko ka Fred Loro.
Abo ito pwede na sa bayan. Pwede sa bayan. Okay. Alright. Ang ngalan nagsisimula sa letter K. Koring Mundo. Hindi. Oo, ngalan ni kabukalista ka banda. Pamilyar? Pamilyar? Alright. Ang last name sounds like may gagawang joke lang. Anyway guys, it's Kurt. Ano last name ni Kurt? I'm not mistaken. Olat. Oh, si Kurt Olat ang maganda og sang merch. Si Kurt Olat? Arite? Kurt. Nice, Kurt. Isla ng sizer? Oh. Isa pa yun? Alright. Oh, another one. Now this time, face towel naman ta. So, hindi na pwede kay tra. Happy mo makaliwat ka pa. Patya. So, for the winner for the face towel,
Nang
ang mga cute sa mga agi. Why ba mas gamay din? Ganti para pa. Alright. Double first name. Double first name. Okay, ang isa ka first name got J, ang isa ka first name M. John Michael. Sino si John Michael? John Michael. Wala si John Michael. Going once. Papunod ko ba ko? Going twice. John Michael. Ginpulian mo gid kami ba? John Michael, going once, going twice. Give yourself to Jesus Christ. My God, bago naman eh. Wala si John Michael, siya. Madrota pag-uwa. Alright? Anong ito? Guys, mo ah? Alright, John Michael, congratulations. My face towel ka from Jim now. Woo! Kabalo ka na na! Ang tuwalya mo, hindi mo pagitain sa tsura mo, ha? Face towel dapat. Alright. So that is it for a raffle draw, but we will do another set of raffle draws karon. So parehistro na kamulihog sa mga wala pa kaparehistro. Please register your names para may chance ka mo of winning the goddamn merch. So look for please look for Tessa to register your name so that you could also take advantage of the raffle to get merch. Come from Jim House, alright? Alright guys, we would like to call on the contestants. Please, if you hear your number, please come inside. Kalain ba come inside? Kabudlay. Please go back inside. Kalain na come inside. Anyway, guys, please, may I call the attention of the numbers? Listen carefully to your numbers, guys. First number, in no particular order. Contestant number 1, please come inside. Contestant number 3. Contestant number 4. Contestant number 6. Contestant number 7. Contestant number 9. Contestant number 10. Contestant number 14. And contestant number 15. Sorry. Contestant number 8. Number 8. Contestant number 8. Contestant number 15 sulod niya, pre. Number 15 sulod.
Guys, ready? Relax. Side chest pose. Now. Flex.
Berten, atras kamay, Berten.
Side chest pose. Okay, relax. Side tricep pose. Flex. Okay, relax. Front double bicep pose. Okay, relax. Front lat spread. Ready? Relax. Turn back. Turn back. Number 10, lihat ko atras. Number 10, atras.
Forward ka to.
Forward. Number 10.
Forward.
Okay, ready? Back double bicep pose. Okay, relax. Back lat spread. Pose.
Nice, Toy.
Relax. Okay, face front. Okay, ready? Abdominal and tight pose. Okay, relax. Okay, show me your most muscular pose. Ready? Okay, relax.
Relax. Number 1, number 3, forward. 1, 3, 15, 9, 7, 8, atras kamay. Atras. Relax.
Guys, relax. You ready? Front double bicep. Pose. Flex. Okay, relax. Front lat spread. Pose. Okay, relax. Side chest. Ready. Flex. Okay, relax. Okay, ready. Abdominal and tight pose. Flex. Okay, relax. Side tricep pose. Ready? Side tricep. Very good.
Naiya ka, mama.
Relax. Okay, ready? Okay. Most muscular pose. Flex. Okay, relax. Guys, go to back. Okay, dari ko na.
Next 5 man,
Next 5 na, next 5. Okay, next 5. Okay, ready? Spread out, spread out, spread out. Spread out. Okay, relax. Okay. Front double bicep pose. Okay, relax. Front lat spread pose. Relax. Side chest. Ready?
Kanon mo lang.
Okay, relax. Turn back to turn back, guys.
Okay, next step, tiro tres.
Okay, relax. Ready? Back double bicep pose. Relax. Lat spread. Back lat spread pose. Relax. Face front. Ready? Abdominal and tight pose. Flex. Okay, relax guys, relax. Side tricep pose. Okay, relax. Ready? Okay, most muscular pose. Guys, abdominal and tight pose. Again. Abdominal and tight pose. Ready?
Subong ginawa.
Okay, relax. Okay guys, thank you.
Alright, that's our 8 mandatory pose, guys. Alright, the judges are still tabulating the scores. And while we're still tabulating the scores, guys, anyway, guys, we would like to actually acknowledge the some people who actually made efforts, like shout out kay Sir Ariel Apawan for the efforts in making all of the layouts and prints needed for the event. Thank you very much. And as well as also we have some, aside from the winners as well, we also giving out special awards later. We have the Mr. Congeniality, si ang pinaka-Becky sa inyo. Joke lang. Pinaka-friendly, handy, ano. Also, yeah. Also, we will give special awards to the most audience impacto among the 15. Kung sino na ginugya kanina sa isa ka, bitaw da. Kabalo na ka muna kung sino na. As well as we will also award a special award as well for the best in posing. Yep, we will do that as well, and that's just about it. And for now, it's time for a raffle draw. Wag yung nag-update sa pag-rehistro. Nakabunot na ko. One face towel and one Gym House Sando. So, for the Sando, hindi ko kabasa. Alright. So, the winner for the Gym House Sando is Jake Agapin. Jake Agapin. Yeah. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Alright. Wala kang nagpa-picture? Naglakat ka lang tayo? Huwag kang ginaganda kay Pitikachu. Oh, picture. Mas mahit ako? Tiktaon na ako here. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3. Alright, congratulations. And the next up for the face towel. Alright, ang ngalan niya nagsisimula sa letter V as in ano na? Vincent Lambuson. Vincent Lambuson, yeah. Face towel for you, man. Congratulations. Yeah, picture na tayo, pre. Picture. Congrats, Vincent, man. And that is just about it for a raffle draw. So, judges, okay na score? Alright. So, the judges will actually... Okay, so the next set of numbers, please come inside. We got the 6 people, 6 contestants.
Masaylo na ako, masaylo ko.
Alright, so as I call